Hi guys, it's Ugly Old Goat here, and I'm here to give you a tour of the Sound Money Institute, which we're just now opening for the first equity trading intensive workshop and mentorship program. Now that's going to be from November 13th to the 23rd. That also happens to be when the Baja 1000 is here. I just want to give you a quick tour of the facilities. This is a picture of the entranceway. Of course, we have a big 4-car garage. You can actually get 8 cars in there. And then when you come in, here's the, that's the living room. As you come in, you'll see a big living room and dining room. We've got 7 bedrooms, guys, and 6 bathrooms, so there's plenty of accommodations. We have 20 beds, so the workshop is limited to 20 people. We're actually going to be eating, sleeping, and living together for 7 days and 7 nights, and of course, we'll also be going to the Baja 1000. There's a bedroom there. You'll see there we have all kinds of bedrooms, and not even all of them are in this picture. There's one of our conference rooms. There's a little swimming pool we won't have up there. That's another conference room. And here's our eagle's nest up on top. And then we actually have a fireplace up here, and we hang out outside. But want to invite you to this. The cost is $3,000 if you're a non-member. And if you're a member, it's $2,000. Again, it's limited to 20 people. You get a 10% discount if you pay with Bitcoin. Again, if you're not a member, you will get a lifetime membership by attending this. So again, once you become a member, then you're eligible for the discounts. But if you want to become an Ugly Old Goat member, this is a great way to do it. Guys, you can't come down here and spend a week for the price we're pricing this and go on an adventure tour in the wine country and everything else that's included with this package. So anyway, hope you can make it November 13th to the 23rd. Hope to see you here. Bye-bye.